Hi, let's check out how many days we need to get from 100 euro, dollar or whatever currency to 1 million. We define some variables. They start for our starting capital. We start with 100. I say euro. 1%. I set this variable because the goal is to gain 1% profit each trading day in average. 1% is here our day start, our starting capital multiplied by 1%. And we end up, I call it day end. This is the starting capital plus our 1%. All right. Run this, check it out if it works, how it looks like, if the machine, if the notebook works here. Print 1% and print our day end. And we see our 1% is 1 euro, and we end up day end. The result after our first trading day will be 101 euro. Fine, don't need it anymore. I can clean it up. Clear output. Okay, now we work with a for loop. But before we need a header, I just write a header line above our table. So that's the header only. Print the first column, our day number. Then I need a tabulator. I define a variable, just a string for formatting purposes. Define the tab. The \t stands for a tabulator. And now I can use in the f string now the variable this way. So first column day number, then we get our day start, then tab again, and our 1%, tab again, and our day end. That's it. That's just the header. Will look like, I always forget to close the f string. That's just the header. Now let's continue with our for loop to find the day when we gain 1 million from our 100 euro starting capital. So for the in range, first to have a better overview, just 10 lines. First of all, we want to print our status. So print, I use always f strings whenever possible. So the day number of the trading day will be the same from the loop. So we can use the I, then I use my tab again. Then we have our day start variable, tab again. Then we have our 1% variable and tab again. And our day end variable. That's it. If I run this, I will end up, hey, I close the f string, yes. If I run this now, we'll end up with 10 same lines. Right, just as a test. Now we have to recalculate our value for each day in the loop, for each iteration of the loop in the loop. So we have to set a new day start, what will be equals to the result of the last trading day, the day end. We need our new 1%, what will be our new capital multiplied by .1 again. And we will get the new day end by our day start plus our 1%, right? Very easy calculation. Let's run it. Okay, this doesn't look nice. I will cut off the decimal numbers, the floats. So from day start, you can do it this way. Get rid of the floating units 1%, but it makes sense to see the floats with a percent, maybe two of them, and they end up cut them off as well. 0, 0. The tab, I forgot the equal, sorry. Now we are clean. You see it takes in the new trading day always the new the result from the day, from the previous day, and you see how the percent increases. Let's run this for, let's say 1 year. It's something about 220 trading days. I don't know exactly, I don't care if it's 200 or 250, not too important at all. Just let's take a look when we doubled our 100 euro. We doubled it after 69 days. It's 3 months to double the capital firstly. I could now run it here for all the lines, 1000 lines or whatever, but it's not very nice for scrolling. I will show you a solution in a minute. So 1000 lines, I can scroll down, then you see after 1000 trading days, you end up with 2 million. I can put in 1000 separator. Better to read. The 1000 separator is the comma this way. Now you see here we have a separator, and after 1000 trading days, about 4 years, you end up with 2 million. With 2 millions. Okay, because all the scrolling, pain for the brain. Let's just print that out. If we find our sum we are looking for, copy this with an if statement. So if day end is greater than, let's first look for 1000 when we tenfold our capital, and the day end is less than, let's say 100, because we won't hit it precisely. We will come with it. Day end, just then print it out. Now we just get the line. We get to 1000k after 230 days. And now let's take a look when we end up with 10,000k after 2 years, 461 days, you made from your 100k, from your 100 euro 10k in 2 years. Now let's come to our question, how many days do we need to get to our million? I take here 9,000 because if you trade a million you have 10k a day, so we won't hit it exactly. Right. And here we go. After 924 days, you end up with a million. Trading 1% a day means around 10k. It's less than 4 years. Given you can afford it to trade with a 1k account, to start with a 1k account, you just need less than 3 years. Even more, some people have 10k. If you start with 10k and you trade with 1% profit a day, you need less than 2 years to get to a million. If you have a good strategy and at least a discipline. Do you have it? Please contact me. If not, wait, I will come up with it. Have a good time. See you later.